Hi and welcome to Agincourt Mazda, where for the second consecutive year we have earned the #1 ranking for certified pre-owned car sales in all of Canada. We earned this impressive accomplishment by having the largest inventory of certified pre-owned Mazda cars here on our massive lot, giving you the best chance to find the pre-owned Mazda that is just right for you. Second, we are control freaks. We are absolutely committed to the meticulous inspection and preparation of all Mazda pre-owned cars. Here's a brief overview of what we review. The foundation of Mazda certified pre-owned cars is a 160-point inspection, which means everything under the hood is analyzed by factory-trained technicians, from brakes to transmission to AC and heating. We ensure every car will look and perform like a new Mazda. With our 7-year, 140,000-kilometer limited powertrain warranty, every certified pre-owned car is covered from the original new retail sale date with zero deductible. Every certified pre-owned car comes with a security blanket in the form of complimentary 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. We're so sure you'll love your certified pre-owned Mazda. We back it up with the guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied, you can return it with 30 days or 3,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Agincourt Mazda also ensures complete transparency by including a car-proof vehicle history report with every certified pre-owned Mazda. When you buy a certified pre-owned vehicle from Agincourt Mazda, we throw in confidence for free. The confidence of knowing it's passed a rigorous qualification process. The confidence of knowing you're buying at Agincourt Mazda, the #1 certified pre-owned dealership in Canada. Right now, we've got an impressive range of financing programs to get you into your very own certified pre-owned Mazda. Visit us online, or better yet, come see us. Thanks for watching.